Whether you're in need of a stock engine restoration or high performance build, Precision Machine Service will build a custom engine that are built to last. Yeah, back at Hawk Speed. Let's see what this dude's doing.
Oh man.
What do we have here?
We keep multiplying.
Vets, man, they gravitate towards Hawk Speed and Custom. So, what are we doing, man?
Converter, cam, oil pump, head stuff, new harmonic balancer, training upgrade, and a tune.
Man, I'm getting the works, man.
Day 2.
Yeah, back at Hawk Speed. So, here's the rear end from the last video. This vet. So what are we doing, man?
Fighting valve stem locks.
Yes.
Fighting with valve stem locks. Anyway.
So that's the little fancy tool.
Yeah, it's a comp cam's valve spring tool, and Texas speed double springs and retainers and then factory locks, and then there's new seals underneath there. Cam's already in, oil pumps in, new gaskets and stuff on the front, and then what else? After I get done with this, after I get done with the valve springs, I'll put the motor back in the car, and then get the transmission and the torque tube and all that, the rear subframe back in the car tonight. And then tomorrow, depending on how much I get done tonight, tomorrow come back in, finish, get the accessories on it, put all the fluids in it, systems check, and then hopefully tomorrow afternoon we'll tune it. So that's the goal anyway. We'll see what happens.
Outstanding, man.
Yeah. That's today's fiasco.
All right, man. I'm gonna let you.
It's you know, you buy tools because you need things to work.
Right.
And it ain't working today. None of them is working today. I should have been done with this an hour ago. So,
Yeah.
today's just one of those days, I suspect. So.
Yeah.
Otherwise, alive and kicking.
Good.
Get this thing wrapped up. Put back in the car so tomorrow you guys can see it out there. This big nasty choppy cam. It's gonna have. It won't sound like the other silver car, just because the other silver car's got a LS3 in it. So just different capabilities.
Right.
But otherwise, still have a big choppy cam in it, and get it tuned. Get out on the street and see what it does. So, sorry, I'm not very energetic today.
No, man. I'm gonna let you get at it, man. I mean, this stuff you can't screw up. You know what I mean?
Trying to get this thing done. So, and again, buy these tools so these things will sit like they're supposed to. And nothing's working today, so I don't know what the hell's going on. Maybe it's because it's Thursday and I didn't know tacos.
Ah, man.
Taco Tuesday.
Oh yeah, it's Tuesday, man.
Whatever.
Yeah, I never know what day it is either. All right, man. Let you get back. Yeah. Get some footage of it in the bay.
The next day.
Back at Hawk Speed. Lord have mercy. So, if you guys remember in the last video, the whole rear end and torque tube was over here. And the motor was hanging off this cherry picker. And that was less than 24 hours ago. What's your name, man? What's your Instagram?
What'd you say?
What's your Instagram, man?
Instagram names. Oh shit, it's Tay.
Really? How'd you come up with that name, man? Like, I just.
Instagram came out when
Right.
I was probably in like 7th, 8th grade.
Yeah.
So.
7th, 8th grade. God knows, man. You a baby.
I just turned 24.
Man, your insurance still high, man. I want to hear that message.
But yeah, my name is Martavius. Everybody want to be cool back in the day, so Martavius.
Fair enough, man. Man. So we got this. You know what? I'm gonna just wait till he's done.
Yeah, you all can talk now. I'm done.
So me and bro over here was just talking about how in the world you did all this by yourself, man. Like,
one thing at a time, man. So last night, when you were here yesterday,
Yeah.
The motor was out and all the rest of the stuff was out. Last night before I went home, I finished the cam, oil pump, harmonic balancer, timing set, valve springs. That's what I was messing with when you were here yesterday.
yeah.
And I finished that stuff, got the motor put back in the car last night, and then came in this morning and put the rear subframe, torque tube and all that stuff back underneath the car. So the back half of the car is all put together and done.
Yeah.
So the shifters on, brakes are on, it's all bolted up, it's all done. Torque converter's torqued in place. The flex plate, torque tube adapter that's up in here, that thing's all done now.
Oh man. Motor back in. And you just got
I haven't worked on it for the last 2 hours, so.
Hey, did your imaginary welder
Yeah.
come work on it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's who probably helps you with your stuff.
I know. I got gnomes that come in at night.
So yeah, little oompa loompas that
Yeah. So
come work on your daggone car at night.
I finish this up. I'm gonna get up on top. I got two of the engine to bell housing bolts to put in up on top to hold the wiring harness in place, and then I'll put the headers on it, and then after the headers are on it, I'll put the exhaust on it, and after the exhaust is on, then I'll lower the car down at working height for me, and I'll button up the rest of the car and I'll start it up tonight. So, I don't know what time it is. What is it, 2:30? Like 2:30? I think it's like 2:30, 3 o'clock, something like that. So, it'll be running by, I don't know, 7. So, but anyway.
Play no games, y'all.
No, man. Got stuff to do.
Man.
Get your transmission for the track stroke on there?
Oh yeah. Almost forgot. So this is the transmission I was talking about in a couple videos back.
I work on Corvettes so much, it's got a Corvette converter in it.
Yep. This is the, oh man, I almost forgot. So this is the, I'm gonna start calling him the Southern Arizona Corvette Daddy. You need to get a t-shirt made, man.
No, man.
Dude, it's Corvette Daddy.
No.
Hey, I say, hey y'all, hey, comment below if y'all want him to get a t-shirt that says Corvette Daddy and him like cheesing or something.
No, nobody wants that.
So it's got higher stall torque converter. What is it? 2200 torque converter. It magically makes it faster down low. I'm not really sure how it does, but it just happens. And it's also got Corvette servos in it. I don't know, a bunch of Sonex parts that should enable it to take up to about 450, 500 horsepower. So, doing it the smart way.
Do it once.
Yeah, once. One time.
Where's your light?
Man, that is a clean hoodie you got there. I bet you get all the ladies. Pop pop you one time. Oh yeah. All right, my bad. But I bet when you come home, your old lady look at you and get a little twinkle, man. Man, in fact, she's probably pregnant now. All right, his wife. Hey, don't get mad at me. That's what I'm talking about.
Fired. Yeah, I'll be right back.
Yeah, man.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Race the rail and now hit the slows and go ham. Break, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail and now hit the slows and go pro. Yeah, race, oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like the holy rail and now hit the slows and go ham. Yeah, break, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail and now hit the slows and go pro. Yeah. Please don't take that powder, you don't got no reason. Moving on top of mountains, homie got trapped, no breathing. Boo-boo in my cabin, she done met the challenge. Way back in my village, all my homies battling. Way back in my village, I get up like salmon. Yeah. Turn up in your city, I don't need no package. Ratchets trying to reach me with the FUBU jacket. Run up with the silver and you know I jack it. I finna rip it from you. Riding around in my coupe. Rory that ain't got no roof. Sorry I cannot get loose. I'm always chasing the Benjamins. Calling me Teddy Adrenaline. I tell my homies I'm veteran. They don't know nothing about the man. Oh wow, I'm trapping on.
So, Owen has put the Corvette back together, and we're gonna see it run for the first time. Even though it's technically already ran for the first time, I just am here for it. But it's the first time on my channel. Let me see here. This is a push button start. There we go. Thing is just loading. You hear these bald eagles, man. Oh, Lord have mercy. Grin back in. He did all this in all about 2-3 days.